beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today matter na about TB Joshua. My bonga people, TB Joshua daughter just gave birth to a bouncy baby boy, and TB Joshua don't me. Hey, does it mean say she will get belle before TB Joshua join the house person? Oh God, oh, he pay me when I see him. I say, oh, Papa no come there now to come congratulate him. Does it mean say now TB Joshua come back again? Well, I know say that they say if somebody die when pikin when the pikin born, they'll say that now the papa now he come back again. So if he be hey, this one shockalize me, my darling people, when I see the video. This one shock me. Hi, I say congratulations to her, but the papa not come there alive. Hi, he can't pay me. Say this time we be say papa supposed to even they carry a grand pikin now, and papa can't pay me. Hey, this one they very very painful. He pay me well. When I see the video, the thing pay me well, my darling people. So more than join me congratulate TB Joshua daughter. He just put to bed to a bouncy baby boy, and he know they alive to see the pikin. Then that one I can't even pay me past, my darling people. So my bonga people, wanna join me congratulate TB Joshua daughter. Wanna congratulate her. They very painful. Say they alive to see a grand pikin. You understand, my darling people? And that one I can't pay me for his side. But what to do? It don't happen. It don't happen. Thank you, my darling people. I will put the video more than Siam, my Ogunge people. Before you start to watch this video, please subscribe and smash the notification bell and share the video too. Let the video go viral. Thank you. Bye.
This is the message from Jesus. The Christian does not consider death to be his end, but the end of his trouble, the end of tribulation. Whether you die young or old, no matter the nature of death, death is sure to come. What matter is the grace to continue living hereafter. Viewers, what matter is the grace to continue living hereafter. We need to be sure that we are ready to depart. Are you ready? Will you be ready when the Lord shall come? Will you be ready when the Lord shall come? I will be ready. I will be ready. I will be ready when the Lord shall come. I will be ready. I will be ready. I will be ready when the Lord shall come. Will you be ready? Are you ready? That is the question. Continue to trust in God is the only way to get ready for the thing we are not ready for. Trust and obey. There's no other way to be happy in Jesus. Trust and obey. Continue to trust in the Lord is the only way to get ready for the thing we are not ready for. The question you need to ask yourself, are you living each day as if it were your last? That is the question. Are you living each day as if it were your last? How are you using your life? I mean, how are you spending your life? Because the greatest way to use life is to spend it on something that will outlive it. For instance, to love someone more dearly every day. When you look around you, you see someone who is in need of your love. You will see someone who is in need of your help. You will see someone who is in need of your strength. You will see someone who is in need of your time to help a wandering child find his way. I mean, to help widowers, orphans, the less privileged, and the unsaved. To follow truth, like the book of John 14, verse 6. As blind men long for light, to keep our heart fit for his holy sight and answer when he calls. This is our task. Let me leave you with a million words. Live each day as if it were your last. Someday, you will be right, Emmanuel.